Hello class 8 students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well. So as we have finished the syllabus for PT1 as well as finished the worksheet for chapter 3 and chapter 4, and also we have discussed different type of questions from lesson 4 in the quick revision. So here now we are doing questions discussion as a quick revision for lesson 3. So here first fill in the blanks. So social networking involves communication between two or more people. The uses of online and offline promotion techniques to increase the audience of site is known as search engine optimization. Dash are websites that allow individual users to create, share, and to communicate with other users on the site. That is social networking sites. Dash describes outsourcing tasks using social networking sites which can be performed by individuals across globe. That is called crowdsourcing. All these we have already studied. Dash refers to combining different elements such as content and application interfaces to create a new service that is called mashups. SNS for education is now termed as educational networking. Social networks are considered as websites 2.0. So here some questions, some objective questions which are taken from uh, which is not in your uh, book in this chapter, but it is for general knowledge also. So here, when was the term social networking coined? So answer will be 1994. Which of the following is the most popular social networking site on the internet? So it is, we should see the option here. Here answer will be Facebook. Who founded Facebook? The answer will be Mark Zuckerberg. And who founded MySpace? So question number 4, who founded MySpace? So answer will be Tom Anderson. When did online social networking first become popular? So online social networking sites become popular in 2003. Facebook and MySpace are all example of what type of services? It is social networking services. Twitter is an example of what type of services? It is called microblogging. It is a type of microblogging services. In a relation to mobile digital device, what does the term app mean? App means here an abbreviation of Apple, the technology corporation. An application, it is an application. App means it is an application. Application, not, it is not designed to run on Apple iPhone. It is not designed on run on Apple iPod. It is designed to run on mobile device. So here the term WordPress, Typepad and Expression Engine can all be used for what? So here the answer will be blogging. We have already know about WordPress. So another uh, blogging website are Typepad, Expression, Engine. All these are used for blogging. So next question is, what is this icon often seen on website used for? Sending content to your mobile device, bookmarking sites in your website. All of you know, because all of you uh, are very well aware about social networking sites. So here, sharing web content via social networking, social news and bookmarking sites. What does this icon mean when seen on website, and what is it used for? This sign is used for what? You have to tell. So here, news, click to show the most recently uploaded content. Here, wireless connection, click to link to wireless device. RSS feed, click to subscribe to updates. Example, blog post. So option C is right. Which of below media are used by social networking sites for communication? All these things: audio, video and text. All of the above is used. Now, which phrases best describe what people do at social networking sites? Choose your correct answer. They interact with country, they browse articles and other content, they code pages in HTML, they interact with each other. So answer will be they interact with each other. So here I'm not going to study all these options. Only when there will be need, I will make you understand. I will give you only the answer, because it is taking too much time. So Twitter is Twitter was founded in the year 2006. Facebook was founded in the year 2004. February 2004. Here, match the icon on the left with social networking sites given on the right. Here icons are given. First one is Twitter, second one is Facebook, third one is Google Plus, fourth one is Hive, and fifth one is LinkedIn, sixth one is Skype, seventh one is Twitter, and eighth one is WhatsApp, and ninth one is YouTube. So all of you know that all these things. And the final one is Instagram. This is the Instagram. You have to match with corresponding. State if it is do or don't for social networking sites. So Ankita sets privacy setting to most secure setting available. It is yes, it is you can do. Vaibhav likes to post information that would let everyone know about a vacation or whether he is out for town for few days. So it is not necessary. So you can consider it as don't. Prachi makes unique password for every social media site. So it is true. So it is coming under do. Riddhi is selective about accepting requests from a friend or follower or social on a social media account. So here fourth one you can consider as do. It is true. Priya clicks on the link even though it appears to be unusual or suspicious because it is sent by friends. It is coming under don'ts. Ruchita posted online something personal and gave permission to everyone to access it. Personal, you cannot give to access anyone. So it is coming under don'ts. Archit unfriends someone who is offending him and is not liking what they are posting. So it is right. So it is coming under do. Here, list advantage and disadvantage of social networking site, pros and cons. We have studied, state the impact of social media in our daily life. We have already done this type of questions. This one and two question are similar in some way. So you can write carefully. What are social networking sites and user interactive services? You can write there are many social networking sites you have studied. Classify different type of social networking sites and give two example of each. All these questions have been discussed during video lecture. When your friends someone on social networking site, what does this allow them to see? This is coming under privacy, so we have already talked. What is messaging system on social networking site do? We have already discussed. What are the purpose for using social networking sites? You can write. How can social networking sites such as Twitter, Facebook, Skype can be used in your classroom? Nowadays, it is useful for educational purpose. In lockdown period, many educational uh, organization are using Facebook, Skype to imparting video classes. Write a report on pros and cons of social networking sites. Same questions, many questions are you can write in same way. So you can easily write the answers. Here enlist some safety tips while using social networking sites. So you can take help of a smart plus rule. What are the different types of privacy and security setting? We have already discussed. What should you watch out for when posting things on social networking sites? These are coming under privacy. So same question can be asked in different way. You can write by using your mind. So here next question is, Sunil gets a request. What should he consider? Request, what's a request? Do I know this person? Let me just uh, add to uh, cares. So here when you are getting request, do you know that person or not? So it is coming and so option will be right. Aditi has signed up on social networking sites and decided to post something. Which of the following is safe to post on social networking sites? So here uh, your location, an alias picture of you with your friends. Aditi has signed up on social networking site and decided to post something. Which of the following is safe to post on social networking sites? And alias. Alias is just similar to giving something as a hint. So here answer will be an alias. You are playing game online and the person you are playing against starts talking to you. Hey, you are really good at this game. Would you like to come my house and show me how to get to the next level? What do you say back? So no, tell someone about it. It is come under a smart plus rule. So next, same type of questions are there. You are using your favorite app to talk to other people. Someone you don't know sends you a picture. What you would you open it? So what will be your yes? It could be a funny image. I'm not sure. So I think I would ask a trusted adult first. This is also coming under a smart plus rule. So you will follow option B. Someone at school has given you a great Wikipedia link to help you with your history homework. What do you do to get reliable information? So you can look in book to find out a bit more information, or you must check at least 3 websites to see if information is reliable online. Ask your teacher. So answer will be C, D, and E. These are the activity based question. Uh, these are the activity based question which can be conducted in the lab or classroom in the group. So question number 13. Here, which social networking site would you suggest for the following? Ria wants to buy new clothes and she does not have time to go on shop. So you will suggest Flipkart and Amazon as a social networking site. Mohan teacher has given him a project to look for information about India's Prime Minister. You will uh, suggest him reference websites such as Wikipedia, about.com. Radha is planning to trip to Mumbai and she wants to book train ticket. You will suggest him IRCTC website. Anita's friend shifted to New Jersey and Anita does not have her phone number and wants to reach her to wish her happy birthday. So here you can use Twitter, Facebook, like social networking sites. Now here Bizu wants to buy a new mobile phone, but he is not sure which one has latest features. How latest features? So how cost effective it is and experiences of other people. He plans to put up queries to obtain the information. So uh, he can you can suggest Quora and take a spot where the many queries are posted there and answers are also posted. Now answer, is it safe to play games and have fun on internet? You have to write in your own words. How old do you have uh, to have your own account on Facebook? What kind of password should you use? What should you go or report to when you feel unsafe and uncomfortable while on internet? So all things we have discussed during video classes, so you can write answer wisely. Features of social networking sites we have already discussed. These are the create your own rules of using internet and social networking sites. Give these rules a cool acronym like a smart plus rule. So you can write in your own word. These are the activity based questions for a group, or if you want to do, you can do. So here these are activity based questions. list the steps to create profile on CNET. CNET is the forums website example like Quora, CNET, and TechSpot. So all these are activity based questions and very easy security and privacy features, you know. So you can mention it here. Write a short essay on evolution of location based services. You have already studied like uh, 4 square WAYN. Where are you now? These are the examples of location based services. These are coming under long questions. Here match the following. What you will do: online movie reviews, social bookmarking, user forums, online shopping out. So online movie reviews, you will look at uh, IMDb movie reviews. Social networking, user forums, social networking, social bookmarking. Sorry, it is social bookmarking. So you can http://delicious.com, user forums, Quora.com, online shopping, eBay.com, outsource services, freelancer.com. So till now we have discussed the questions. Now, so we have almost all the questions we have discussed from chapter 3. So if it is required, we'll discuss more questions, but it is enough. We have covered all the questions related to your chapter 3. All next all questions are activity based questions, and long questions, those we have already discussed through the video lectures. So here we have discussed only objective type questions. So thank you very much.